Good evening, sir.
Hi Palash, how are you?
So I watched the trailer of Detective Shetil and I loved it.
Very good.
And ये सब थोड़ा दुख लगा कि in the first scene of the trailer only we get to see you getting killed. So tell me about your role, sir, and how excited are you for that?
So let me tell you that if I get killed in the first 10 minutes, however, I am through the film.
Okay.
Yeah, so I am through the film because a lot of the film is in flashback not flashback or recall from the perspective of each and every suspect. When the interrogation takes place, every suspect is talking about the last conversation he or she may have had with me. It's not that I'm not in the film after the first 10 minutes. I'm there throughout the film. Maybe till the very end, actually.
And so glad to hear about it because as a fan हम लोग चाहते हैं कि आपको जितना दे पाए उतना अच्छा.
Thank you.
And so we have been following you for long, and we have seen that you have been very openly vocal about the challenges for dyslexia.
Great.
Yes, sir. And so we often wonder, ki, you are such a great actor, you have done such a good roles. So, this dyslexia did have given you a unique perspective towards acting, or has it positively impacted you in a way we people cannot?
Palash, I'll tell you something. No two human beings' DNA is identical, right? The structure, or maybe whether it's dyslexia or some aptitude, or the left brain or the right brain, or there are different forms of autism, light spectrum, heavy spectrum, and everybody uses their ability or disability should use their ability or their disability to their advantage. मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ कि जब मैं when I was in school, I could not understand mathematics, and that does not define me. What does define me then? My ability to communicate, my ability to tell stories, my ability to use my body, my ability to use my voice. Use that. I have a great memory for certain things. I have no memory for numbers. No memory for numbers. Zero. So you can teach me arithmetic for hours. I'll never understand it. So that is society's way of judging me. I don't get judged like that. I get judged by my own personal competence. So मुझे मैं जब 11 साल का था तब मैंने एक पिक्चर में ये फलाना सीन देखा, मुझे आज भी उतना ही उसकी मेमोरी रहेगी, बिकॉज ऑफ सम डिसेबिलिटी और एबिलिटी, you know. So I just feel one must never feel inferior to anybody. Long and the short of it.
Very nice, sir. And sir, we have often seen ki, in for you debuted at the very late part or inning of your life, I must say, and उसके बाद से you were just shining on the screen. So sir, मैं तो यही सोचता हूँ कि what motivated you to go for the acting at so late, and if you recall, जब आप पहला audition देने गए थे sir, what were the thoughts in your mind, and
मैंने हिंदी फिल्मों में ऑडिशन किया ही नहीं.
okay.
मतलब मैं थिएटर करता था ना, तो डायरेक्टर्स और प्रोड्यूसर्स आके प्ले देखते थे, यार ये पिक्चर में काम करेगा, बहुत मजा आएगा. तो द थिंग वाज दैट nothing motivated me. It's just that I always loved performing arts. I loved the theater. I loved the cinema. You will be drawn to it by, it's like a moth to the flame. You just get drawn to it. You just go and it gets drawn to you. मतलब जब मैं थिएटर करता था, मैंने किसी प्रोड्यूसर को फोन करके नहीं बोला कि आके मेरा प्ले देखो. They came on their own. I said, will you act in our movie? I said, let's see. So my luck has been because today everybody uses this word very. I think it's a good word, but it's used very often. It's called manifestation. Manifestation. Bachpan se, if I have made up my mind to be in some form or the other on the screen or on the stage, it will happen. End of story. So I don't necessarily sit and make decisions. I just dream, and I dream, and you I work towards the craft. And the more you work towards the craft, the signal, the vibration goes out. I'm a different kind of thinker in matters like this.
I mean, yes, we definitely, but I guess बहुत young लोग भी जाते हैं and they just couldn't make it, but then they get inspired by you, क्योंकि even you at the greater age, अपनी direction, if I am not wrong, you took direction at the age like We Mehta Boys, and I love that movie first of all. So how was the experience behind the camera, and how did you go through that?
It was a hugely emotional experience for two, three reasons, Palash. Palash, first of all, I fulfilled my dream कि मुझे I have to make a movie. Direction was direction was is something that was stuck in my head ever since I'm a kid. And that is happening. So I'm very emotional to just be a man who's calling the shots. And also written it. And thirdly, it's a very emotional film. To be standing there and being part of scenes that are so emotional, not melodramatic, by the way. They're emotional. There are such moments in what's it called, Meta Boys, where a lot of people start crying, even though there is not a sad moment. कुछ sadness नहीं है स्क्रीन पे, लेकिन फिर भी रो रहे हैं. क्यों रो रहे हैं मुझे मालूम नहीं. एक लड़की मुझे मिली थी जर्मनी में, स्क्रीनिंग किया था यूरोपियन प्रीमियर में, और मुझे she was guiding me to the next interview. She was my shadow. Well, I really found the film very emotional. I said, "Yeah, when did you feel emotional?" So that when the brother and sister were sitting on the slide and talking, I said, "What was so emotional about that?" Saying, "That's not for you to decide. That's for me to decide." It made me feel and remind me of my brother and the way I speak to him. In the same tone that I spoke to him 10 years ago, I'm reminded of how I speak to my brother and how brother speaks to me. And that's it. And I know that people may have cried at the airport sequence. I know that people may have cried whenever. But people have cried in that film where there is no need to cry. And or rather feel emotion. So for me, it is a most satisfying thing. Uh, I heard from a friend, that is director friend from the south. He and his father have not spoken in 14 years properly. He saw Meta Boys and he called up his father and said, "I want to meet you." So he came. I want to watch a film with you. And then they arranged for a meeting in the house, and 22 family members sat and watched Meta Boys together. What can be more emotional and what could be more satisfying for a filmmaker than a
Yes,
story like that?
agreed, sir. And we you just like you said कि कुछ लोगों को वो चीज़ अच्छी लगती है जो हमें नहीं पता क्यों अच्छी लग रही है उनको, बट पता है कि उनको अच्छी लग रही है. So it makes me wonder, like, you have done a numerous roles, supporting characters, everything in three areas, Munna Bhai. Which is one role, sir? So which is one role that which affected you or just gave you something which you keep close to your heart, but other people like don't know? Like any supporting any character of yours in any movie?
Maybe two roles. One is Well Done Abba and one is Khosla Ka Khosla.
And may I ask the reason, sir?
So Khosla Ka Khosla was a big, big thing for me as an actor, as a performer. Everybody was very skeptical of me doing the role because I'm a Parsi from South Bombay and I'm playing a Punjab from East. And ये नहीं कर पाएगा तो and I said no, the moment you say नहीं कर पाएगा ना तो मैंने challenge ले लिया, खत्म हो गया. And then you work harder and harder and harder to do the insurmountable. So in that sense, it was for me very special. And then people couldn't believe that I'm Parsi from South Bombay behaving, the way this character was behaving. And secondly, well done about the experience of working with Mr. Sham Benegal, Sham Babu. And secondly, the character had a beautiful relationship with humanity. It's beautiful, his whole anger towards other people and his daughter, and he was trying to keep her under control, and then he lets go. I just find that character a very beautiful character, a very beautiful character. These two films are very close to. Of course, Three Idiots, Munna Bhai, and of course, more than anything, I love Lagero Munna Bhai also the most.
I always loved everything. And so the last question tends to remain that so looking at your journey, it's inspiring, and the chances, the luck which you all talked about. But do you think that Bollywood has evolved to a level where the late bloomers are getting chances or will be, promoted just as you have been?
Look, man, I don't think Bollywood is responsible for late bloomers.
Yeah.
Bollywood or the Indian film industry is not responsible for late bloomers or early bloomers. It is up to the individual to be responsible for his bloom. I mean, the industry is not responsible. You are responsible. You make your own luck, they say, right?
Yeah.
I just tell people who come with dreams, sure, come with dreams, but at the same time, come with craft. Work on your craft. Don't say मुझे बनना है मैंने बहुत कोशिश की मैं ऑडिशन में गया इधर ऑडिशन किया उधर वो तो करना ही है आखिर में लेकिन आप ऑडिशन में क्या लेकर आए क्या आपने ट्रेनिंग की है ड्रामा स्कूल में गए और नहीं भी गए तो सेल्फ ट्रेनिंग में क्या किया आपने कौन से पिक्चर्स देखे कौन से एक्टिंग के बुक्स पढ़े कौन से वीडियोस देखे हाउ मच हैव यू रिहर्स कितना रियाज किया आपने वो रियाज किया बिना बोला आप बहुत खूबसूरत लगते हो तो मुझे काम मिलेगा वो दैट इज यू विल ऑलवेज बी हार्ट ब्रोकन यू विल ऑलवेज बी हार्ट ब्रोकन तो यही मैं कह रहा हूं मेक योर ओन लक डोंट एक्सपेक्ट बॉलीवुड टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर यू
Thank you so much, sir. I understood that like craft and hard work are the key to fame, not the vice versa. And thank you so much, sir. It was such a nice interview, insightful.
pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you
Recording stopped.